Hello everyone. So I'm here again today uh, to show you how to trade with candlestick psychology. So let's begin to trade. Let me choose some good pairs so that okay. So this is quite good. Okay, let me draw some levels. This is a levels which is respecting by this market. Okay, and here I can see level 2, but this candle break out the level, but if you check, this is also buyer's area. So okay, let me close this candle. So before place trade, you should check the good pair, trendy market, not the pair giving a higher percentage. That's not good. Okay, this is very strong candle. Okay, I'm going with buyers because this is very strong candle. This is strong momentum too. It's not good to go against the momentum until extreme region, and I found extreme region here, but if the candle close at the level, that is good, uh, but still I want to go with buyers because I can see this level, it has been completely matched, and this is a breakout candle for this this trend line. It means there are supposed to be a on retrace candle here, so most of the time it will do. That's the reason I want to go with buyers. So let's wait still 10 seconds. Okay, I think I'm going to lose this trade. Okay, no problem. So here okay, I'm going with buyers here because if you check these things, every time market touch this level and moving up, and this is the ending point, ending level. Okay, you can check this 1 2 3, here touched again reject because of this strong candle, but at this area you can see only small candle. It means there are still some gap to fill it, so that I have placed here higher option. Okay, 15 seconds remaining. Okay, this is winning trade. So if you analyze this market, this is the trend market is following. Okay, I'm going with sellers, and I think this is good entry for me. Okay, I have placed higher option here. The reason is, you can check, every time market touch this level, it reject, and every time has a strong candle and reverse, strong candle reverse. So this time also strong candle, and it close at the level. It means seller supposed to enter here, and my entry point is good. Also, if you check another level here, this I have placed the trade at the level, so there is two possibilities. Okay, I have won this trade because of my entry point, but in this situation I should not go with buyers. Okay, so let me draw a level here. This is the market movement now, moment. It's respecting this line, this trend. Here buyers becoming weaker, I think. and also another level is here. You can see strong buyers entry here, again sellers. So there is a double chance, but things is this is a momentum, strong momentum, so you should not go with sellers against this momentum until you have extreme reason. See, I have lost this trade because of momentum. So okay, I'm going with sellers because this is a sign of reversal, at least for 1 minute. That's the reason I have placed lower option here. So let's wait. Okay, sellers entry. So when you see any, I already made a lot of video about how to trade on momentum and what to do when strong momentum touch the level. Okay, you can watch them so that you will understand everything. Okay, so I think this is going to win. So here you can see, okay, this is winning trade. Here I can see this was a previous trend. This candle supposed to enter sellers normally, but it didn't enter because there is one reason I found here. See, this was a previous low, it didn't touch and market went up. Sorry, before touching it went up. It means there is some reason to not enter sellers. I think this is the reason. Here we didn't find any sellers. Okay, so now market touched this level and it, okay, I'm going with sellers because this is a very strong candle and strong candle at this zone. This is a level 2, so I think this time the market will respect this zone because of a strong candle. So this is a momentum, but you know already this point too, what to do when any strong candle form after this small candle. Okay, but still buyers trying. Let's see, but it's supposed to not. Okay, so I think I'm going to lose. Okay, so today I'm getting more losses than win. This is a downtrend, but I am to go with buyers. Okay, sorry, I have placed here higher option because you can see this is a downtrend, but at this area there is a consolidation area, but after that strong buyers entry. Again this is a sellers candle because this is a retrace candle for this breakout. This is a small breakout. This is a sellers entry, but this candle broke this level, but this is a retrace candle. Again after retrace I can see strong buyers entry. It means buyers are in the market. Okay, so but I already lost 2 trade, which is not good. Okay, no problem, but if you worry about your losses, then the result will be more bad. Okay, see, after this candle what happened? This was my lower option, but after this candle strong sellers entry. Okay, so Let me try to place some trade here because I already lost 2 trade. Okay, so today market is kind of different, so you need to observe all these things because today support and resistance is not working well. You can see strong buyers entry, reverse, strong buyers entry, again reverse with strong rejection. This time also strong buyers entry, and before there has a sellers entry too, but it didn't reverse. It means today you should not play the SNR strategy. See, here supposed to be enter sellers at least this level because this is a strong sellers entry level, but it didn't enter. It means there today that support and resistance will not work properly, so you should apply different things because everyday market condition is not same, so you should understand all these things too. Okay, so it's a downtrend. This is a buyer's level. From the okay, I'm going with sellers. From this level I can see as soon as hit this level it got reject. It means buyers are waiting here, and candle close again at the sellers area. It means I can expect a red candle here, but my entry is little lower. In this situation, here you can see doji candle. So in any doji form, don't place trade immediately. So better to wait for few seconds to place your trade with some marginal safety. Okay, still 12 seconds. Let's see. Okay, so finally sellers, yeah, sellers entry, but still there is gap. See, it's filling that gap. So, and see still buyers trying, but this is an extreme level. Okay, I will wait for on confirmation, then I will place on trade here. Let me check the okay. Here I can see some more level through which I can follow. This is a level, and here I can see a level 2. Okay, so okay, let me wait here because I want to place one more trade in this pair. Till now total I have placed 3, 6, 7. Out of 7 I have lost 2 trade. Okay, this is not fully confirmation that I should go with sellers because of this momentum. This huge buyers pressure was there, so there can be on bullish candle too, and due to this level it can be bearish candle too, so I should skip that trade. Okay, so now I need to wait to hit the level. It will come down, but this is like complicated area, so okay, let me check some other pairs. Okay, so this is same situation here, but this is kind of continuation candle, but after continuation I can see small sellers entry. So okay, but what is the level here? And as you know that next week I am going to conduct online classes that I already announced few days back. So if you are interested, you can contact me. So if you are interested, you can contact me. Okay, again buyers are trying. Okay. So strong buyers entry, and okay, I will wait for confirmation here. Pick of 3, 6. Okay, one trade has closed here because of lot of chart open. There is 9 limit. The total I have placed 7 trade, but here I can see only 6 trade. Okay, you can see by go back for 2-3 minutes, so that you can see here on winning trade was there. Okay, what happened? Market is okay. I'm going with buyers here. I have placed here higher option because after this strong candle, I can see buyers without any rejection at upper side, so that buyers are in this market, and I can see rejection level is here. It means it will try to touch this level, and okay, this is a round number. I didn't see it, but still there is gap, so there is possibilities to win this trade. Let's wait, still 15 seconds. So if I win this trade, I will stop trading because I have placed 8 trade. Out of 8, I have lost 2 trade. Yes, this is winning trade. So total I have placed 8 trade, and I have lost 2 trade here. You can see this trade EuroCAD. Here is no EuroCAD because last trade was closed by opening some extra side. So as you can see here, 3, 6, 7, and this EuroCAD is not here. So total I have placed 8 trade. Out of 8, I have lost 2 trade, and this loss because today SNR is not working well. You can see here also SNR didn't work. So I think today you should not try to trade based on SNR level. And again, I'm going to conduct online classes from next week. So if you are interested, please contact me through email. And if you are new in this channel, don't forget to subscribe and share the video with your friends. Thank you so much for watching.